in time. Yeah, you have to wait for a while to heal because it's going to stop heal.
Oh,
You thought you had to wait heal?